3 years, 2 trials, and 1 hung jury later, a Massachusetts jury finds Karen Read
Guilty or not guilty?
not guilty of killing her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe.
No one has fought harder for justice for John O'Keefe than I have.
Read was accused of hitting O'Keefe with her car outside a Canton, Massachusetts house party in January of 2022. She was accused of leaving him to die in a snowstorm and charged with second-degree murder, manslaughter, and leaving the scene. Jurors convicted Read of drunk driving the night of O'Keefe's death, but cleared her on the other charges. Large crowds came by the dozens to watch Wednesday's verdict be handed down after just over 20 hours of deliberations.
I could not be standing here without these amazing supporters who have supported me and my team.
Read's lawyers claim O'Keefe was bitten by a dog, then left outside, and that was done as part of a police cover-up meant to frame Read.
I can't say whether or not she killed him, but I can say that legally this is the correct outcome.
Legal analyst Daniel Pye says the not guilty verdict shows prosecutors weren't able to prove Read killed O'Keefe beyond a reasonable doubt.
And one of the reasons is because the police and the prosecution, they failed in their burden. They did not investigate all plausible alternatives.
It's unfortunate.
Some of O'Keefe's loved ones responding to the verdict.
It's one of the greatest men I've ever known.
And say while they respect the jury's decision, John O'Keefe deserved better.
If she decided to make better decisions between 12:30, 6 a.m., it'd still be here.
And last year, O'Keefe's family filed a civil suit against Read and 2 bars in Canton. That suit is seeking at least $50,000 in damages. In the studio tonight, Imani Fleming, WMUR News 9.